Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. We connected both via Wi-Fi network. To print documents from your mobile phone to this printer, you need to go to your file, then select My File. Then you go to wherever you save the document. It can be from the document section or download. So select the document, double click the document to open. So this is the document we want to print out. It's 2 pages document. Tap on the screen, then you select 3 dots on top, select print. You will see this app. Scroll down and it will show you Brother MFC. Select on it. You will see a yellow printer icon. Then scroll down from the list. You select the paper A4. Orientation is currently portrait. You select the color, and this printer is black and white, so it's a monochrome. Then double-sided, scroll down, select none or long edge or short edge. We want to print this double-sided long edge, then you select long edge. You also give you more option for you to select other printing service you want to use. Then you go back. After you select all the features, we want to print double-sided, long edge. Then you select print. It will show you receiving data. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. Another way to print document from a mobile phone to this printer is for you to use Brother Connect app. If you connect this printer and your mobile device via Wi-Fi network and connected it via Brother Mobile Connect app, then you need to go to Brother Mobile Connect app. This is the Brother Mobile Connect app. So select print document. When you select print document, it will show all the documents available on your mobile phone. Then you select the document. So the document is now attaching. It will also show you print preview. But you need to wait for the document to show on the screen before you proceed. This is the first and second one. We show you page 1 of 2. This is the page 2 of 2. Then you select the settings, the print setting. Make sure you select the correct paper. You select how many copies, fit to page, turn the fit to page on if the content on the PDF document is cut off during printing. This will reduce the document to fit to the page. So fit to page usually reduce the document. We don't want that, then you cancel. And also layout 1-on-1, 2-in-1, or 4-in-1. Let's say we want 2-in-1. 2-in-1 is you have the 2 pages in 1 page, but you want this layout to be 1-on-1. Then you go back. Quality is normal. So you have fine and normal. Is currently in normal. Then times pages. So you can select specific range. Specify range. You can select start from particular range and end on particular range, but we don't want to do that. Then you go back. Then the next thing to do is also, after you select all the settings, then you go back again, then select print. It will show you that it's receiving data. This is the document we printed out. from Brother Connect app, two-sided. If you want to print it one-sided, then you go back to the settings. For instance, we change it from two to two-sided, switch it off. And also the layout, I want us to print 2-in-1 for you to see that we can print 2-in-1. Then you go back after you select all the settings, then go back. You can also select how many copies. If you type on the copies, then you type how many copies. Let's say if you want to print 50, then you select OK, it will print out 50 pages. But what you want to print is only one copy. Then you select OK, layout 2-in-1. Then you go back. Once you go back, then you wait for the document to be ready, and also it will show you on the print preview. So we are printing 2-in-1, but not two-sided. We are printing the 2 pages. You will see the 2 pages will be in one. You can see the first one and the second one. So the 2 pages document are now in one. You can see this one is on the back and this one is on the front. But what we are going to print now is this document will be printed only 1 page, and the information will be, you can see what it looks like for 2 pages. Then you go back and select print. There we go. So this is the document we printed 2-in-1. So these are ways to print documents from this printer and your mobile phone. Most important thing is you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network and also Brother Mobile Connect app. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.